Hi everyone, it's Jav here. Welcome. I'm just going to put my timer on only because I have 10 minutes on my camera, and so I hope I don't run over time, which tends to happen. I do welcome you all. Thank you to all my subscribers and those that are new here. I really appreciate your company. If you are new, do consider subscribing. I will be uploading more of these type of tutorials for you. In fact, I have many tutorials that are dating back a year and a half now. I still haven't had an opportunity to upload them. They may not be in chronological order, but what I'll endeavor to do in the description box, I'll certainly put a link and I'll have a playlist so that you can easily find the tutorials that I may be mentioning for you. Now, I'm here today because I wanted to express that a lot of the projects that I'm going to be doing with you and all my projects require a torn edge. So for those that are new, or for those that would like to know, I have two ways that I like to do it. Of course, the third way is you can tear it by hand, but that doesn't always work, and it doesn't always leave a great effect. The best way is using a deckled edged or a tear ruler, and I'm going to show you how I made my own. Very, very easy. And in fact, I'll come back to that in just a moment. I'll just check that I'm in frame and that everything's going well. Yeah, okay. So the first way, if you aren't in a position to make your own or purchase one, because I think there's a lot out there, I wanted to show you how you can do it without, I'll try and face you. I'll try to, I don't know what I'm talking about now, but what I'll do is show you how you can do it. So you can rip it this way, and you've got a tear effect there, but it's very, very subtle, as you should be able to see. Let me check. Yeah. However, one way to do it is you're going to wiggle. As you're cutting it, you're going to wiggle the paper back and forth, up and down, however. So that gives you one effect. And then the other thing you can do with your nails, you can go in there and you can enhance some of the actual natural tears that have come from the ruler effect. Okay, so that gives you that kind of effect. So I hope I'm in frame. Yeah. So I'll do that again. So you're just going to wriggle your papers and you'll get that kind of effect. So that's one way, and just play around with it. Just, you know, you can do extreme ones, you can do fancy ones, you can do whatever you wish. So just remember, wriggle your papers. So there you go. There's something that's been wriggled. One of the sides I'd already done. And if you don't like your little excess, you can just rip it off. And look, you get your real great tears there. So that's that one. If you don't have anything else but your ruler, that's that one. Let me show you the my deckled ruler that I've made myself, and I wanted to show you the actual lines that you get. And the ones that I've done, let me see. I thought I had them here. I'm not sure now. Let me just make one from scratch. Okay. I may need, I'll use this paper here. Alright, so this one here, and I will show you how I'm going to make this, so please bear with me. Alright, so this is one that I made, and we'll try and get the length of it so you can have a look. So this is my coffee stain paper. You're going to just push against your ruler, and there you go, there's that effect, and there's that effect. I'm not sure if that will show up. I'll get some white underneath there for you. Okay, I'll do the other side here. I'm just going to push against it, and there it is. Okay, this is my other one, and you can actually do whatever you like with the you can create your own grooves that suits your particular taste and preference. So there you go. Now that one didn't cut properly because I didn't have it against the ruler. Yeah. Anyway, let me show you how to do this. Now if I run out of time, I do apologize. All you're going to need is a ruler and a cutting knife. Now please, if you're a child or young, make sure you get an adult to supervise you. So this is disclaimer in the sense that, you know, please don't come crying to me, anyone. You must remember that if you're doing this, make sure no one is in front of you, and please make sure that if you do have someone with you, they're beside you. Always cut away. Just cut away from your fingers. Do not go this way. Cut away from your fingers. So this would be like whittling a piece of wood. I got this for only $1, would you believe, in my supermarket. So here we go. All you're going to do is you're going to carve up your grooves. You can go as deep as you wish, as shallow as you wish, but that's all you're going to do. So there's some shallow, there's some deep. Now you might want to go a little bit deeper here, so you can just, so can you see that? I hope you can see that. I'm going to do this again. There you go. And then you can do a shallow one after that. Now the parts that are a little bit squared off, you can just scrape along with your cutting knife, and that should give you a little bit better edge. But once again, I hope you can see. And there you go. Can you see that? So I'll show you what we've done so far. So if I just run my ruler, there you go. That's what it looks like. That's what your cuts or your tearing will look like. And so that will give you an idea of exactly how deep or how shallow you want to make your tears. Okay. So I hope that's been helpful. Please do give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you like it, because I'm going to have more of these type of tutorials for you in the near future. But that's how you make your deckled edged ruler or your tear ruler. And I'll try and just quickly, before you go, because we're going to run out of time. There it is. That's basically the effect. And yeah, thanks guys for coming to my show and share. Take care now. Bye.